I actually found out about Sports Shooter Academy on Facebook, saw that a couple of my other friends who are also sports photographers that I really admire had also gone to the school, and they told me that I have to go if I love it. Track and field, actually, I was very surprised with the selects that I came out with. Just being a person that has never shot the sport before, there's a lot going on and it's really hard to kind of pick what you want to focus on for the different moments. Just because there are so many moving pieces, it's very easy to get overwhelmed while you're at the event. The most interesting sporting event that I shot, I would have to say, was definitely the men's indoor volleyball. It was the championship game for community college, so there was just so much emotion from the fans, from the bench, from the coaches, and it was incredible to be in that arena. I found that I was one of the people that I just wanted to try everything at all times. So for me, picking what I wanted to shoot was probably one of the hardest things coming into the camp beforehand. I loved the fact that we could do golf and we could do volleyball and we could do baseball or softball or track and field or surfing or boxing and cycling, just a lot of events that a lot of people don't necessarily have access to. I thought that this was kind of the best situation that you could be in to still be able to experience those before you're in a situation where it's like, I have to get the shot right away. I loved the instructors' critiques actually, because in the past I've always asked people for their opinions and they've always told me that my shots are good, but not really given me specifics about what they liked or didn't like. And here at Sports Shooter Academy, I felt like the instructors really sat me down and picked apart my shots and really gave me the details to kind of be able to see what I'm doing better and what I need to work on. Now that the workshop is wrapped up, I'm still kind of trying to take in all of the information because we've learned so much, just from lighting to portraits to remotes to you name it, we kind of touched on it. But one of my biggest takeaways is just keep shooting and also shoot through the action and through the moment, because a lot of times the reaction after the action is really the thing that will tell the story of the game the best. So just being seasoned and patient enough to continue shooting when you have that initial urge to stop is a definitely very big pointer.